So one thing we haven't talked about yet is the idea of making a site responsive. Now, responsive design is an answer to the problem that all of us come to the web using different devices. Sometimes we use notebooks, sometimes we use our phones, sometimes we use tablets, and the number of devices will continue to grow. Now, when smartphones started becoming more popular, website developers realized that there had to be a different option than the typical desktop option. And so a common solution was to create two separate websites, one for mobile browsing and one for desktop browsing. For a while, that worked okay, but the problem with that is that now you have two different sites to maintain, and syncing up the data as well as the look and feel between those two sites can be tedious and error-prone. So the idea of responsive design was put forward, which is the idea that we adjust the layout and sizing of our page to fit whatever size viewport is being used. So in the case of a desktop browser like this, the viewport is the size of the browser. In the case of a mobile phone, the viewport is the size of the screen. And because there's new variations all the time, it makes sense to build a site that will adapt to those different sizes and provide an optimized interface regardless of the size.